Hello everybody, it is me Techniconus and I'm back with another video. And in this video I will be telling you guys how you can increase the resolution of an image. By the resolution I mean the quality, the number of pixels in 1 inch or some other dimensions. It's for free. It's done for free by a website. You don't need like the Adobe Photoshop for it. So it's if you don't need Photoshop, that means it's free. So I'll tell you how. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser and then search for let's enhance .io. Once I have searched for it, you will directly land up on this website if you type this, and then you need to click anywhere over here to upload an image. I have a picture of a car, this image. Now first of all, you need to create an account or continue with Facebook or Google. I'll do with Google. Done. And now you can see the current resolution of this image, 0.5 megapixels, 875 into 492 pixels. This is the resolution. And now what you need to do is click on size, and there's an option for custom. Click on custom and select 2x, 2 times. Now see the resolution size. Then click on start processing. Then you can see here will be ready in about a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Done. Now once it's done, click on this download option and it's downloaded. Now you can see the resolution of this image. When I zoom, it's just the same. And now I'll just show the image I had increased the resolution of. The first image downloads. This is that one. You can see the quality. I can see blocky images all over. So that was it. In this video we of an image for free by this website, Let's Enhance. I will be putting this link of this website in the description also. You can go there and just click, and make sure to follow me on Twitter, and please subscribe for more technical content.